Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply delete Google Chrome Incognito Mode history on Android. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome. Now, because of capturing issue, because when we on our incognito, the screen is going to be blank. So as a result of this, I will just show you straight on how you can simply delete your Chrome incognito. Now, when you get to Chrome browser, I want to believe that you know how you can access incognito mode in Chrome. So for you to access incognito mode in Chrome, if you don't know how to do that, simply click on these three dots right here. And it take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to switch to Incognito tab. So just like I said, it's not going to record what is taking place right here in Incognito. Everything is going to blank. But when you are done with whatever you are browsing in Incognito mode, next thing you need to do is to simply exit from Incognito mode. Then having exit from Incognito mode, next thing you need to do is to click on New tab right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar right here and type in Chrome. So you can see the URL right here. Chrome. So you can see the URL right here. Chrome:/net-intervals. Then what you need to do is to simply click on search. And it's going to take you right here. Now the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on DNS. Now it's going to take you right here. Now you have to come to this side right here and enter the domain name of the website that you visit so far in your incognito history. So I'm going to use an example of a website. So I'm going to simply type in the website name right here, w.nairaland. So this is one of the sites I visit in incognito mode. Then having entered the site URL, click on lookup. Then you have detail about the website IP and browse history. Next thing you need to do is to click on clear host cache, and everything will be deleted from this particular IP address. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply clear incognito history on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.